Folks, it's Matt, the Budge Backpacker. We are here getting ready for our trip to Nepal. As you can see, I've got my backpack packed. Fiona's over there with Jessie. She's going to take us to the airport. Fiona's also packed over there. And Scout's just keeping us company. But we are headed out tonight. We have a layover in Doha. Here we are in Kathmandu. It's hard to see, but there's a city out in front of us, which we're about to go out and explore after a much needed rest today. We are here, and we're excited about going out and checking out the city. So come along with us for the ride. Hey everybody, so we are here in Nepal and Kathmandu. We got in earlier this morning and took a little bit of a rest, and now we are out on the town, and we are just having right now a cold Nepali ice beer. So keep you informed and share our travels with you coming up, but so far it was a good trip over. Here we are getting some trekking gear, getting some jackets and some poles, and I think we're all completely outfitted, so it's time to get those permits. here at Himalayan Java Coffee, which is also a store, outdoor research store, really good brand of outdoor trekking apparel. So I went ahead and picked me up some stuff. But yeah, we're going ahead to go get our Tim's card and our ACAP cards for our permits for trekking and do some more exploring. Here we are getting our permits. Just soon. Getting our permits. There's there. Here's me. There's our stuff. Very information. All the information is here. Getting our permits. We're here in Kathmandu and just finished our second day and got a lot of stuff done. We got a lot of trekking gear that we needed, some essentials. We also got our 2 permits that we would need to trek in the region that we're going to in the Annapurna range. And we also went to an amazing bar today called the Rum Doodle Bar, which is pretty famous for expeditions that stop there on their way back through Kathmandu. But from here, we'll be waking up early tomorrow morning and taking the bus to Pokhara, and then we'll stay there for one night, and then the following day we'll head up into the Annapurna Base Camp Trek. But you know, it's been a great trip so far. We've got to see a lot of this city, which has been fascinating. It's really crazy here, but so far it's been amazing. So I can't wait to show you the rest of the journey and other spots that we're going to. Tomorrow, like I said, it's going to be an early day, but I'll take you along on the journey with us. So, if you like the video, you know what to do. Smash the bell, leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe. You do all the things that people do to help out, but stay tuned for more.